The JEETEE Nonstick Frying Pan with lid is a great little helper in the kitchen. It comes in a pretty pink color. This 8-inch pan is perfect for making eggs or a small omelette. The ceramic coating means food won't stick. So, cooking breakfast is now easier. Plus, cleanup is a breeze. You just wipe it down. The stainless steel handle stays cool to the touch. It also feels strong and sturdy. This JEETEE Nonstick Frying Pan with lid can work on all kinds of stoves. You can even put it in the oven. This makes it a versatile tool for your cooking systems. This pan is also designed with your health in mind. It is PFAS-free. This means it doesn't have harmful chemicals. Many people worry about what they cook with. This JEETEE Nonstick Frying Pan with lid offers some peace of mind. It's like a gentle hug for your food. It provides protection from unwanted substances. The non-stick surface helps you use less oil. That can be a small but good change for your body. While some industrial processes can be concerning, this pan aims for a safer cooking experience. Overall, the JEETEE Nonstick Frying Pan with lid is a solid choice. It does what it promises without any fuss. It's easy to use and even easier to clean. If you need a small, reliable pan for daily cooking, especially for those quick breakfast meals, this could be it. We didn't find any major con with this pan. It seems to sell well because people find it useful. The positive feedback from users suggests it's a worthwhile addition to any kitchen. It's a simple science. Good materials make for good cooking. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8-inch frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8-inch frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: stainless handle, non-toxic, PFAS-free, oven-safe, all stovetops, pink color, 8-inch size. With lid. Cons: shows wear fast, enamel may chip, discoloration reported, longevity questioned, handle on lid. Traps water, lightweight, may dent, non-stick may fail, stains easily. Outside features: non-stick, with lid, 8-inch, ceramic, egg pan, omelette pan, stainless steel handle, non-toxic, PFAS-free, oven-safe. This pink 8-inch JEETEE frying pan has a non-stick ceramic coating, so eggs and omelettes won't stick. It comes with a lid to trap heat and moisture while cooking. The handle is made of stainless steel, and the pan is safe to use in the oven. It's also made without toxic PFAS chemicals and can be used on all types of stovetops. The JEETEE 8-inch pink non-stick frying pan with a stainless steel handle and lid is designed to be non-toxic and PFAS-free, making it a safe choice for cooking. It can be used on all types of stovetops and is also oven-safe. However, some users have reported that the non-stick coating may wear quickly. The enamel could chip, and discoloration might occur over time, raising concerns about its long-term use. Additionally, the handle on the lid can trap water, and the lightweight material might be prone to denting. While the pan is non-stick, this feature may eventually fail, and the outside can stain easily.